Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Season the neck bones with fresh ground garlic, green seasoning mix, Worcestershire sauce, kosher salt, and coarse ground black pepper to taste. You can season everything straight away in your slow cooker. It makes it so much easier and a lot more convenient. If you refrigerate it overnight, make sure you bring the meat to room temperature before cooking. The next thing to do is to cover the neck bones with sliced apples and sliced onions. Set your slow cooker on the low setting for 8 hours. Now all you have to do is just cover the slow cooker and leave it to do its thing. It's been 8 hours, so it's time to give our neck bones a check. Now all you have to do is just test a piece of the meat and make sure it's nice and tender. Uh-oh, this one's trying to get away from me here. Got it. Yes, nice and tender. Check this out. Super tender. And not only that, super delicious with a blend of the flavors of the apples and the sweet onions. Who would have thought, huh? Neck bones. So delicious. I just use a gravy spoon to scoop out the excess fat from the slow cooker once everything's done. To prevent the neck bones from overcooking, as soon as it's done, take it out of the receptacle. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.